Department of Fisheries, DoF. Mandate of DoF. A. Transfer of technology. Dissemination of modern technology on aquaculture, fishery management, and hatchery operation, etc. Training and advisory services to the people on aquaculture and management. ট্রেনিং দেওয়া আর অ্যাডভাইসারি সার্ভিসেস দেওয়া অ্যাকুয়াকালচার এবং এটার দায়িত্বে যারা আছে তাদেরকে রেন্ডার অ্যাডভাইসারি সার্ভিসেস টু প্রোভাইড ক্রেডিট অন ফিশারিজ। বি হচ্ছে কনজারভেশন অফ ফিশারিজ রিসোর্সেস, enhancement of fisheries through conservation and management of fisheries resources, enforcement of fisheries rules, regulation, etc. Enhancement of fisheries বৃদ্ধি করা through conservation and management of fisheries resources, enforcement of fisheries rules, regulations, etc. C হচ্ছে quality control of fish and fisheries product, ensure quality of fish and fishery product and insurance of health certificate of exportable fish product, enforcement of fish and fishery product, inspection and quality control rules. Other, advising the government in formulating policies related to fisheries. Advising the government in formulating policies regarded to fisheries, collection of data on fisheries and its compilation, editing and publication, plan formulation, implementation, monitoring and evaluation of fisheries development project, poverty alleviation through fisheries activities of DoF. Fisheries Extension Service. In the recent past, several development projects of DoF have been launched with strong extension. In the recent past, several development projects of DoF have been launched with strong extension and institutional strengthening component for both carp and shrimp culture. Different approaches and strategies of aquaculture have been adopted under different projects. DoF has engaged a number of NGOs in extension activities under some of its projects. Extension effort of DoF, both in revenue as well as development setup, are still inadequate. Extension services include technical advice on all sort of aquaculture and related activities, publication and distribution free of cost of booklet, poster, leaflet, etc. There is a need to strengthen DoF capability to cater the service to the private sector in aquaculture and production and marketing. Training, to provide training to fisheries personnel and aquaculturists, marginal farmer, unemployed youth and women is one of the mandate of Department of Fisheries to ensure the direct participation of fishermen for the maximum utilization of inland fisheries resources and to enjoy the whole benefit by them. New fisheries management policy was adopted in 1986 by the government. Fisheries credit facilities. Several credit programs were launched by the government of facilitate fisheries activities at private. Some of these are credit program for private aquaculture, collateral free credit program for aquaculture under aquaculture extension project in Mymensingh from different development project, Fisheries Act, ordinate rules, etc. DoF made some rules act and regulation to manage and conserve the aquatic resources. Among these rules, the following are mentionable: the Private Fisheries Protection Act 1889, the Tank Improvement Act, the Bangladesh, then the East Bengal Protection and Conservation of Fish Act, the Bangladesh Fisheries Development Corporation Ordinance, the Marine Fisheries Ordinance, the Fish and Fish Production Inspection and Quality Control Ordinance, Bangladesh Fisheries Research Institute BFRI. Bangladesh Fisheries Research Institute BFRI was established in 1984 with its first station at Mymensingh. The institute was then named as Fisheries Research Institute FRI. In 2001, it was decided to change the name into Bangladesh Fisheries Research Institute BFRI in order to remove the confusion with Forest Research Institute FRI. The headquarters of the institute is situated at Freshwater Station of the institute, Mymensingh. The institute functions through following division in respect of development, coordination and operation of its research program. Activities of BFRI. Research Division. The division comprises of two units: the program section, which is taking care of planning and monitoring of research and statistic and socio-economic studies; the operation unit, which is taking care of operation of four research stations, namely the Freshwater Station at Mymensingh, the Riverine Station at Chandpur, the Brackish-water Station at Paikgacha of Khulna, and the Marine and Fisheries Technology Station at Cox's Bazar. There are two substations: Reservoir Fisheries Management Substation at Rangamati, Floodplain Ecosystem Management Substation at Shantahar, Bogura. Training and Coordination. The division provides short-term training program on different aspects of fish culture and technology to field-level extension workers, fish farmers, and relevant staff engaged in various non-government and government organizations. Besides, the arrangements are periodically made for holding of seminars, workshops, symposia, and academician and conference with view to exchange the ideas among the planners, academicians and researchers of the country. Coordination of similar program undertaken by headquarters and the research station is the responsibility of this division. A strong library system is underway for timely dissemination of largest knowledge among the researchers. Universities. Role of different university. Bangladesh Agricultural University at Mymensingh. There is a full-fledged faculty of fisheries which provide formal curriculum in field of inland and marine fisheries, which include biology, culture, processing, nutrition, disease, engineering, extension, economics, etc. of inland and marine fisheries. Presently, the faculty has three departments: one research station in Potenga, one aquaculture experimental farm. The faculty has linkage with different foreign universities. UK under ODA program. The following resources are available: studies and improve production, processing, transportation and handling of shrimp and their cost benefit at farm level, identification, characterization and control of disease of shrimp and prawn in Bangladesh. Bangladesh Fisheries Development Corporation BFDC was established in 1964 under the Directorate of Fisheries of Pakistan. In 1985, the Directorate of Fisheries was placed separately under the Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock. Its main responsibilities include administration, management, development, extension, and training. There are three organizations that work under the administrative umbrella of MOFL. These are the Department of Fisheries, the Bangladesh Fisheries Development Corporation BFDC, and the Bangladesh Fisheries Research Institute BFRI. Activities of BFDC: take measure for the development of fisheries and fishing industry, establishing fishing industries, establish unit for preservation, processing, distribution, and marketing of fish and fishery products, acquire, hold, and dispose of fishing craft, undertake survey and investigation for fisheries resources, establish fish catching unit to build up organized body for fisheries exploitation, lend fisheries industry and fishermen cooperation committee, encourage fishermen cooperative society, take measures and establishment of training and research institute for fisheries resources exploitation, processing, transportation, and storing and distribution, establishing organization for fish and fishery byproduct, role of different fisheries academics, roles of different commercial bank. As the population increases, consumption rate is also increasing, but the comparison to fish production is decreasing due to several factors. To address the issue, different banks of the country have taken steps through various schemes which aim to increasing fish production in a sustainable manner, alleviating poverty by increasing employment opportunities, earning foreign exchange, and improving socio-economic condition of fisheries and fish farmers. Considering the importance of fisheries sector, the banks are playing vital role in the development and management of fisheries, such as bank involvement in various fisheries credit program to meet vast credit requirement for fish farmer, fisheries fish processors, and other fisheries related activities. The concept of fisheries credit has been changed to small scale fishermen and fish farmers are better served. Bank lending procedure for small loans have been collateral free, so the small fish farmer and fish farmers get credit facilities. As far as possible, small loans are administered as group based following microcredit concept. Bank-based credit schemes are continued to support the need of different type of fish farmer, fishermen, fish processors, and so on. Mechanisms are gradually developing so the overlapping loan operation does not place reward for fulfilling disbursement target and good recovery of loan side, reward for food repayment, and penalty for defaulter borrowers are going to be introduced. The bank conducted a comprehensive fisheries sector review in 1991 which provide the basic of strategy agreed to government of Bangladesh for developing the sector.